Hey there, how do you think not eating for a couple of days might help you lose fat? Let me explain. Today we're going to take an in-depth look at intermittent fasting and how the science works. We're going to get right into all the biological mechanisms at play and why intermittent fasting works so well. If you want to know more about fasting, make sure you check out the description below. It has some great links to help you on your fasting journey. The science behind intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting has gained immense popularity in recent years, and for good reason. This eating pattern, which cycles between periods of eating and fasting, offers a range of health benefits beyond just weight loss. Let's explore the science behind how intermittent fasting actually burns fat and impacts our bodies. What happens when we fast? When we abstain from food, a fascinating cascade of events unfolds within our bodies. Firstly, as the steady stream of incoming calories ceases, insulin levels plummet. This hormonal shift acts like a key, unlocking stored body fat for use as fuel. This translates to potential weight loss and improved metabolic health. Fasting also flips the switch on human growth hormone, HGH production. HGH surges, promoting fat burning and muscle growth. Imagine your body switching gears, becoming a more efficient fat-burning machine while preserving precious muscle tissue. But the benefits extend beyond just burning calories. Fasting flips that cellular repair switch to on. A process called autophagy kicks in, diligently clearing out cellular waste products, much like taking out the trash. This promotes cellular rejuvenation and may contribute to overall health and longevity. Finally, fasting isn't just a physical process, it influences our genetic code. Studies suggest that fasting triggers positive changes in genes and molecules associated with longevity and disease prevention. It's as if fasting sends a message to our very DNA, prompting it to adopt a healthier state. How intermittent fasting fuels fat loss. Intermittent fasting isn't just about restricting calories, it's a strategic approach to manipulating your body's metabolism to burn fat more efficiently. Here's how it works. Calorie control made simple. By condensing your eating window, you naturally consume fewer calories overall. It's like hitting the brakes on calorie intake, creating a caloric deficit, the fundamental principle for weight loss. Imagine a seesaw. If calories consumed go down, the body must burn stored fat, calories out to maintain energy balance. The metabolic flip switch. After roughly 12 hours without food, your body undergoes a metabolic shift. Glucose, derived from carbohydrates, becomes less available as the primary fuel source. This triggers a switch to burning stored fat for energy. Think of it as your body adapting to a new fuel source, like a car switching from gasoline to a more efficient reserve tank. Taking fat burning to the extreme, ketosis, extended fasting periods, usually exceeding 24 hours, can lead to a metabolic state called ketosis. Here, the liver converts fat into molecules called ketones, which the body readily uses as fuel. Imagine your body not only burning fat, but also transforming it into a readily available energy source, maximizing fat utilization. Building insulin sensitivity. Fasting can improve your body's sensitivity to insulin, a hormone crucial for regulating blood sugar. With improved sensitivity, your body uses glucose from food more effectively and stores less as fat. This not only benefits weight management but also helps regulate blood sugar levels, potentially reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes. Intermittent fasting, a flexible approach to eating. Intermittent fasting offers a unique way to structure your meals, focusing on cycling between eating and fasting periods. Here's a glimpse into some popular methods. 16/8 method. Lean gains. This widely adopted approach involves a 16-hour daily fast, allowing you to eat within an 8-hour window. Many people find this manageable as it incorporates the overnight fasting period. You can adjust the eating window to fit your schedule, like skipping breakfast and eating between noon and 8 p.m. 5-2 diet. This plan offers more flexibility. You eat normally for 5 days of the week, maintaining a healthy diet. On the remaining 2 non-consecutive days, you restrict your calorie intake to 500-600 calories. This approach allows for a sense of normalcy while still incorporating calorie restriction benefits. Eat Stop Eat. This method involves incorporating 24-hour fasts into your routine, either once or twice a week. You can choose any 24-hour period that works for you. While it may sound challenging, some find it easier to manage as it requires complete abstinence for a shorter duration. Alternate day fasting. This approach involves fasting every other day. There are variations within this method. Some choose a complete fast on alternating days, while others opt for a low-calorie intake, around 500 calories on fasting days. This method requires careful planning and may be more demanding than other IF approaches. Health benefits beyond the scale. Intermittent fasting's impact goes far beyond just shedding pounds. It can be a powerful tool for promoting overall health and well-being. Here's a glimpse into some of its exciting benefits. Heart health hero. Fasting may act as a shield for your heart. Studies suggest it can lower blood pressure, a major risk factor for heart disease. Additionally, it can improve cholesterol levels by reducing bad LDL cholesterol while potentially boosting good HDL cholesterol. This translates to a healthier heart and a reduced risk of cardiovascular issues. Brain power booster. Fasting might give your cognitive function a welcome boost. Research indicates it can enhance memory, focus, and overall brain performance. There's even evidence suggesting it may offer protection against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's, though more studies are needed. Taming the flames of inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to various health problems. The good news? Intermittent fasting appears to have anti-inflammatory properties. Studies show it can reduce markers of inflammation throughout the body, potentially mitigating the risk of inflammatory diseases like arthritis and certain cancers. Living longer? While the research is ongoing, animal studies suggest that incorporating fasting practices may contribute to a longer lifespan. By promoting cellular repair and potentially influencing genes related to longevity, intermittent fasting might hold the key to a longer, healthier life. However, more human studies are needed to solidify these findings. Potential risks and considerations. Intermittent fasting isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. Here are some factors to consider. Muscle loss. Studies suggest a potential for lean muscle loss during fasting. To counter this, incorporating resistance training becomes crucial. Hormonal impact. Fasting can influence hormone levels, potentially affecting menstrual cycles in women. It's advisable to monitor any changes and consult a doctor if needed. Overeating trap. The risk of overeating during eating windows exists, potentially negating the benefits. Focus on mindful eating with healthy choices. Medical conditions. If you have pre-existing health conditions like diabetes, consult a doctor before attempting intermittent fasting. Their guidance can ensure a safe and effective approach. Intermittent fasting is a powerful tool for fat loss and overall health improvement. By understanding the science behind it and implementing it correctly, you can harness its benefits while minimizing potential risks. Remember, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet regimen.